Hello guys, so we are back again with another video. And thank you guys so much for your support. We have seen at least our video is growing bit by bit. We are so happy. We just started the other day and we are so happy with the improvement. We have seen people subscribing, liking. Also, don't fear to comment. You can comment also and click the button at the bell button so that you can get notification anytime we post. So today my husband is surprising me with I don't know how it is called, so we will see together. So I'm here to help him. Wow, baby, you are staying far.
So I hide myself because of this automatic camera. Because when I walk like this, maybe you follow me, and then you are talking to yourself there.
No,
Okay.
it's okay.
Yeah,
So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what my husband is preparing today. Okay.
So I have prepared for you a little bit of work. Peeling potatoes.
Yeah.
This is not my hobby.
So I peeled some potatoes.
Some
So
Kartoffeln.
here there are remaining two.
Okay.
I will add from there. How much should I?
Let me open the bag here.
Help with peeling.
Maybe five or six of the big ones. Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah, so five maybe. So, I had planned to cook today potatoes, Kartoffeln, and Bratwurst and Grünkohl, but only the good one. So, while Miriam is peeling potatoes, what is really not my hobby, I will cut myself.
Yeah, so I like to peel. That is not a problem to me.
I just prepare this Grünkohl here.
I hope baby will start before I finish here.
This is a bit sticking. Okay.
Maybe you can use a spoon.
Yeah, I must have a bit here.
Yeah, so we are trying to fix a quick dinner
Yeah.
because it is late and we haven't eaten the whole day.
Especially on Sundays, I don't like too much food. Today is not Sunday. Today is Monday. Okay, but it's a holiday. It's something like Sunday. And most time we sit around when we eat too much.
You want to boil these ones? You want to boil them?
Yeah.
So let me fix water too. We put water here.
So, let me place it here. Okay, started. 5. Salt, pepper. This will contain that. And a little bit of essig.
So I try to fix this potato.
Yeah.
forgot. I was trying to remember what I have I forgotten. I had forgotten to start this one.
You have noticed that they have different colors.
Yeah, some are green. I don't know why.
So yellow and yellow, but different, huh? Okay. Maybe different types of potatoes. I put this here because here is place for pan. No, I think this is salt. Yeah, today it was a bit silent, weather was not so good, we were to go out, but it ever looks like it wants to rain. But in like 2 or 3 days, when we are back to work, when we are waiting for 30 degrees outside, yeah. And next weekend, when we are off, then it will rain again. Yeah, this is Germany. So, okay. Then I will cut them here a little bit, because they don't need that long. Ah, you must wash them, yeah? Sorry, my
What you are
mistake.
doing. Come here.
Uh-oh, now I was a bit too quick.
Let me come 1 minute. Oh my.
Boss is
Yeah,
calling, boss
When
is
you
calling.
have a baby, you have to do quickly.
Boss is calling.
So you want them to be cut small.
Yeah, not
Like that.
too small, yeah, so maybe medium cubes. AC is amused about this dancing fruit, yeah? What is it to have to start this dancing fruit? Ah! Okay.
Let me finish. I take you. So,
10 might be enough.
I think this one is okay.
Yeah.
So these are our potatoes. Then I put them here.
Yeah, I put water on top.
Okay.
Uh,
Let me pick it
Yeah.
up and those. My God.
our background singer here.
That is how I work.
So I lift my head for all mothers, for really all mothers they have a small baby. So ever carrying, when she plays him aside like 5 minutes, maybe 10, then the alarm starts again. So the first 3 months or 4 months they are really tired stuff. And mostly for moms, you know, they don't find sleep, I don't know what this is really not.
Normal.
Yeah, it is. But it is tired stuff.
Why have you opened this one?
The wrong one. What?
So
Okay.
this one is this one.
You see old people, yeah? So. Uh-oh. I know. Okay. So. That is not running.
It is almost. So I find it easier to burn with this one instead of gas. So you fix it quick.
So I hope we will have a good time to go to next days that we can show our followers some other places than our kitchen. Yeah. By the way, one of our video, Miriam was doing her hair. Wow.
Why?
What?
What has happened?
No, it's only that your hair is that stubborn. Yeah? So that stubborn. So our hair sometimes is too soft. We must put glue inside that it stays like we want. And we use opposite.
Yeah, ours is so hard. You can go guys and watch that video. It's me fixing my hair. Yeah, you will see how stubborn our hair is. But now it looks good. It looks a bit good.
And one of our videos show we have tried to gut a fish. Woo, that was a disaster in the kitchen.
Yeah. So the water is hot, is good and ready.
Okay. And they can boil. Today a late dinner.
Here I noticed you don't cook dinner, so you eat broth.
Butterbrot, yeah.
Hey.
This is normal, butterbrot.
If you fix that one in Kenya, people will say you are what? You are how is it called? I don't remember. But people will say that you are too. Yeah. You are too stingy with your cooking. If you give them broth at night with your things, you
Yeah,
cannot.
for breakfast, mostly we eat Brötchen, so buns, or Butterbrot, bread, and for dinner also. So mostly we have one warm meal, and this is noon. Yeah. In Kenya, when I have understood right, minimum 2 times.
Two. We have lunch, and dinner. So we usually do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So some even do in between something like a snack at 4, 5.
And then also
In the
garlic.
evening. Yeah, in the
What?
evening.
I would die because of food there. This is too much.
So that one is just that kale.
So we have also another type of it. Then you have these potatoes. You cook these potatoes. You stamp these potatoes. Put this inside. And then you let it cook a bit more with Bratwurst. So this is like same sausage, only that is smoked. This is a bit darker red. So this is another type. That is a bit hot. Okay. Let me reduce that a bit. Still works. Hot.
Maybe it was too hot.
This is really a quick thing here. But I can try to keep the salt out of this.
Yeah.
Do you know why it is ever spraying? So because of the water what entered outside. Yeah. Ha. No need why.
It is there. The leaves are there.
Yeah. Now good. Enough to clean already. So today is a quick thing, nothing special. Last time gefüllte paprika was also very good. I just have an idea. I don't know why. So, I know how to fix German food normal. And Miriam know how to fix Kenyan food also normal. but we just will fix change roles. Next time I try to cook mukimo.
Ugali.
No
Mukimo is
ugali.
easy.
No ugali. Mukimo.
Mukimo is easy.
Ugali is easy too.
No.
So for me, yes. After this you have,
Okay.
how is it called? Charcoal. No. Mukimo is easy, yeah.
You want to fix sauce there?
What?
You want to fix our sauce there once it is ready?
Yeah, all of this. I put a bit water and then I have something here. Hopefully it is still there. Aha, this is the bright one. I have also for dark one. Yes. So one of these packs here, we put in that water. And then you have a bit salt. Boiling hard here. Also this is good. Let me try this. Not bad. Speck is missing. Bacon. But okay. Today all shops are closed. That's why it's not possible. Just let them fry. So maybe to all our listeners and viewers from Africa, have you ever cooked like this? Or when we do mukimo or something else, maybe we do it on another way. Just write in the commentary section and let us know. This is today really small thing. Oh. They still need a bit. So let me bounce that here. So yeah, okay. Why I have something to clean. Ooh, this is a mess. Something inside there. Let's mess up.
Let's go see what Papa is doing. Smelling good.
Yeah, I hope the taste is like smell. Anything is good. I have already reused.
Ah, it is already ready.
No, when it is boiling like hell. Let me see. Yeah, stubborn.
They are not ready. That's why.
Ah, they are. So these bright ones, no, not so.
Yeah.
The dark ones, yeah, that's why. Give them a few minutes, and in that time I fix that sauce here.
Okay.
You can also make some potatoes out of it, maybe. Some potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we do so. I hope there are enough for us both. Yeah.
We don't need to eat a lot. It is too late.
It is. It is. Oh, we have already 21:36. So this has to boil now.
This one.
Or do you want to have onions there inside?
No.
Good. I only was to ask.
No. This one has stopped boiling. Or it is boiling.
Now it starts. Inside here.
You see? If Papa wants to do. You see, Papa? What is Papa doing? Ask Papa, what are you doing? What are you doing, Papa?
Hello, Effie.
Tell Papa, I need some. I need some. This one you wanted to mix with this one, like last time. You wanted to mix with it.
This is for potatoes and for sausages.
What about this one? You wanted to mix with this, or stamp out beside?
Just done, huh?
Okay.
Or should we eat that in pieces?
No, stamp.
Okay. Now let me remove that water. Switch that off here. So, where is it? Here.
Butter.
Ja.
Butter.
Und ein kleines bisschen Milch, a little bit of milk because it is not that big amount.
Let me help you here.
So it looks now. So now we can put our sausages in the inside that they're not becoming cold. So, move up. Can you prepare that table? I will prepare them. Yeah? Okay.
I'll be back again.
Okay. Put those ones there. Okay. Then let's start. Oh, now I have removed all. That was smart.
Yeah, you said it was a lot.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
I was not thinking like this.
Wow. Wow. That's even too much.
So let me try something. So this will be plate of Miriam. Mine just like this. So we place Grünkohl one side. just like this. It makes it a bit more beautiful. So now I will put the sausages. So I want to do sharing. So pour a bit sauce on top. So when this is ready, I will show you how it looks. Now we don't know about it now. This is the plan. Okay. Let me switch off all this electricity here. Okay. Then let's go to living room. So welcome living room. Now I pick up the food.
Yeah, let's wait and see what has been cooked by my husband. But I know it's delicious. Yeah.
Wait, I have forgotten something. Sorry.
Now we wait for food. We see
So
that
now the food is coming.
Yeah. Why it's a lot. Wow. Hey. 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 Love. It looks good. It looks so good. What up? Hey. Why yours doesn't have this heart?
Yeah, this heart is for you, and this food is for me.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, I have explained to our guys that I fix it for you in that beautiful way, and I put mine just like this.
Thank you, baby.
So, okay, then bon appetit.
Thank you. Can I appetit too? Let me taste. Now what?
Now is the most dangerous part now.
I'm sure it is sweet.
Yeah.
Mm, so good. It's so good. I like this green. This green, I really like it. Even the last time you had cooked it, I really liked it.
Yeah, okay, now we will come summer.
It has like that taste of our kale in Kenya. It has that a bit taste.
Like I have explained before, when we put that together with that potatoes, then those potatoes without milk and butter, just like this, and then with Bratwurst, this is winter food. But then it is farmer food.
Yeah, it's so good. So good.
This is nothing special. This is just one of typical German food.
Oh, I like it. Like it. Better than butterbrot in the evening.
Mm. I have also tried to talk to our followers and viewers. So when we cook something like this here, if they have cook it also, and special in this question, it's especially for these people in Africa, because the Europeans, or especially the German ones, they know this, or for them it is boring. So yeah, and when we cook Kenyan food,
Yeah.
or when I try to cook Kenyan food, then you will be amused, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can fetch some ideas or other receipt to do. Maybe someone puts this inside, yeah.
Yeah. But normally, you know, some of the Kenyan dish you don't have to put a lot of things because they are also tradition.
Ah.
They are also traditional food, so you have to cook them the way they are.
So, but when I have put Nutella on chapati or cheese and roll it, it was tasty, what?
Yeah.
But in Kenya, you will be jailed when you start it.
No. Like ugali, you cannot add anything in ugali. Ugali is supposed to be as tasteless as that you say it is tasteless. But for us, it usually tastes so good.
So for me it was tasteless. So this, how do you call it? This pan white flour. That tastes a little bit like popcorn. But this original from Kenya in these paper bags, I really try hard to figure out what is there so special. It is, for me, it's like I taste on, I chew on nothing. Yeah? Because of taste. Okay, when you put this with sauce and meat and so, then it don't disturb this other taste. That makes sense.
Yeah. So maybe you can switch off so that we can concentrate on our food. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. We really appreciate. So kindly consider subscribing, like, comment and share if you like our video. Yeah, so we really appreciate you. Come all, come a lot. We really appreciate. You can also comment on what you think or what you want to know about us. Yeah, and we will be happy to answer you. So thank you guys and bye. See you next video. We love you.
Bye.